Are you dreaming of Sweden?
Destination:
Stockholm, beautiful islands, historic old town, and royal palace. Gothenburg, coastal city with canals and lively culture. Malmö, modern skyline and historic architecture. Lapland, northern lights and snowy landscapes. Aurora Borealis, magical lights in the Arctic sky. Gotland, medieval town and beaches. Kebnekaise, stunning mountain scenery. Drottningholm Palace, UNESCO royal residence. Stockholm Archipelago, thousands of scenic islands. These all dreams are possible with the A&U Adventure. We are a premier visa consultancy and bespoke travel planning company, dedicated to making your journey stress-free, from expert document preparation to personalized travel itineraries. We simplify global exploration so you can focus on the adventure ahead. Visit our website to get started.